Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget can sync a budget with a spouse. Goodbudget uses a household account system that allows you and your spouse to sync your budgets across multiple devices. Both partners can log into the same Goodbudget account using the same username and password, or you can link separate profiles to a single household. When you share an account, any income added, transaction logged, or envelope filled updates in real time across all connected phones and computers. This shared visibility means both of you always know exactly how much money is left in your grocery, entertainment, or utility envelopes before making a purchase. To set this up, both devices simply need the app installed and logged into your shared household credentials. It eliminates the hassle of manually combining receipts or spreadsheets at the end of the month, keeping both partners on the same page financially. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.